How you doing, guys? Today we have a 2015 Chevy Camaro. Customer have a broken key and we're gonna create a brand new switchblade key. Right now it doesn't work, but we'll start and program. So first thing first, we're gonna use the SECI 9 to decode the existing broken key in order to write it and cut the new key. So this is by Kukai products. It's a SEC E9 high security machine. I'm going to use clamp number 1, the automotive. I'm going to tighten the clamp. There is a calibration piece on it. We're going to start by setup, first step, automobile clamp, and now it's going to calibrate the clamp to make sure that we get a good read of the key. After it finished calibrating, we can remove the calibration block, go back to the main menu, take the other key, the original key, put it in the machine, and we're gonna go to, in the settings, we're gonna go to search in the menu. We're gonna go based on a key blank, and the key blank is AG100. Now, because it's a private car and it's a sedan and not a SUV, it's gonna be 8 cuts. We're gonna hit the code. We're going to change it because the key is short, and we're going to read the groove in order to cut the key. After the machine read the key, we can remove the original one. I always like to measure it and make sure that it looks the same cuts and it makes sense before I cut the new key. Now I'm going to open the switchblade, put it in the clamp in the right position, and we're going to hit cut. I'm going to change it because my key is longer a little bit, but we're going to start cutting it. When it finished cutting, we're going to open the cover. We're going to clean up from all the metal shavings, and we're going to switch the sides. We're going to flip it and put it back in the machine and cut the other side. After it finished cutting the second side, we can again clean up the machine and the key from all the metal shavings, and we're going to remove it and test it on the door. So we're going to put it in the door lock, and that turns nice and easy, but it's not programmed yet. But in order to program, we don't need any key programmer. All you have to do is to go inside the car and put the original key on position, not start, just on position for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, within 5 seconds, put the new key back inside and on position. You need to do it pretty quick. And then you're going to see the orange security light turns off. That means the key is registered. There is no security light. So now this key should work fine, and we're going to go outside and test it on the door to make sure that it works. Amazing. And of course, because it's already programmed, it's also going to start. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you, and please subscribe to see every daily video that we do. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.